the 4,000 other things. Today we are going to be bird hunting. To have a guess. Hi. Her. So now to you guys what are you doing? He's really thinking. I got the rocking barrel.
What kind of things do you want to look for the day we go shopping, kids?
I don't know. Squishy toys!
Oh, honey, you're not spending all that money on toys. You're going to spend it on something. I'm not saying you can't have something, but you ain't spending all that money on toys.
I know.
You are getting big enough now that toys are not an important thing anymore.
What about room decor?
Well, you can do room decor if you like that.
I like room decor. Main place I get room decor from is Target. I have no idea. Just Target. Alright. Keep those where you can. So much. Hi.
What?
No. Hold on. I dropped the rock down the side. Now better get a second. Why is that too comfortable? Boom! Quick crack. That's his name is my backpack. Add beef jerky in my mouth. Good? Add beef jerky too. Lizzie's in love with that stuff now. But she got it from Jason. Boom! Boom! I'm not even shooting. How many fans do you have? What? Two. Where are they? One's you and one's Lizzie. What? Yeah, you can start me. No, I'm not. Lizzie is me. Grammy, you have a hummingbird.
I do?
Yeah, it's on the feeder over there.
It sure is. I had to change the water on there the other day. It was getting kind of gross. still there?
I don't know. Are you ready for school, Wyatt?
Ready for it, yeah. So I don't want to go to it.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
No.
Why isn't that house for sale?
What house?
Who would want to own 2 houses?
What house is for sale?
I said, why isn't that house for sale?
Yeah.
That own house?
I don't know.
I wouldn't want to own 2 houses.
On what?
Why don't they sell that house?
I don't know.
There's no one living there.
Who would want to own 2 houses?
Well, evidently they do one.
You don't make lots of money, you lose lots of money, right?
Honey, they're retired. They've made their money. They're retired.
How old are they?
Younger than Grandpa.
What are their names?
Wayne Darcy.
Why did they retire so early?
Because they had the money to do it.
You can have money and you can be old enough?
There are 30-year-old people that are millionaires.
Yeah.
What the? Wouldn't that be
So if they're
awesome?
millionaires, they're not working extremely hard.
Wouldn't that be awesome?
What do you think all these YouTubers are? Oh,
Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah, I don't think Shane is He just doesn't want a job.
Who?
Shane Dawson. He's a YouTuber.
Well, some of them just want to get rich quick, and sometimes it works and sometimes it don't.
Sometimes you just need food. Why you got that stuff in my head? And I got all my soldiers. It's coming down. Where's your brush, Graham?
Laying up here because I'm going to start using it in the black.
They're already
I
done.
got the gray one, well, one coat. It's going to need another coat, but I got the gray one.
Boom!
As far as I'm going to go for right now, anyway. I'm going to get a coat of black on there and see what that does.
On what?
On the
alright, guys.
counter.
I'm going to end the channel here. So, tune in.
Which one of them is blue?
Tune in next time for bird hunting.
Or fishing.
Adios.